Hey guys, Brian from Wrenches and Rides. We find ourselves hitting our knees on the Can-Am door handle on the inside quite often. And to fix that problem, we picked up a set of PRP seats door bags. These door bags have a cushion that sits in front of that door handle that allows your knee to rest up against it, put a little pressure there, and also allows you to still grab onto this handle and close the door. Now, there is a little bit of a lack of place to put things in the Can-Am, and also the Polaris for that matter. I had a similar set of bags in my Polaris, and I found that after they would get dirty and dusty, the zipper was really hard to use. And on the PRP bags, this zipper is quite large, and it's easier to move around. You can tell there's a huge difference in quality. So these bags install very simply with 4 Velcro loops. There's not much that's needed to put them in. There were plastic push pins that went into my Polaris on a different brand. So if you are looking for this and you do have a different brand, PRP makes a ton of different models out there. And in some cases, I know these Can-Ams are new, so they mostly have this carbon fiber looking vinyl that's out there. Other models, you can pick the piping, you can pick colors, change some things up. PRP does some really awesome things with custom-made materials and seats. So basically, let's hop in this and let me show you what I mean about my knee hitting the side and how this is more comfortable. So while riding, this is pretty much where everything is at. My knee over here is flipping between the gas and the brake. And on the other side, I usually use a little bit of bracing. But you can see here, my knee can rest up and push against this padding on the door now, instead of banging into the bar that's the grab handle for closing it. I can see where the passenger side grab handle would be a little bit more useful than the driver's side, because you're gonna have your hand on the steering wheel. But this gives you a comfortable place, not only for the driver, but also for the passenger. And you can still use this as a grab handle if you wanted to. So there's a lot of comfort factor here, and to me, you get a bonus of some storage. So if you wanna throw your wallet or anything that you have in here, it's readily available for you. Even first aid kit, that's kind of what I put in mine. Nothing too heavy, because I didn't want to wear out the doors, but at the same point, there's a ton of storage in there. Prices on these are going to vary, all depending upon the machine that you have that they're going into and the material that they're made out of. We'll put a link directly in the description to Summit Racing where we picked this guy up. They're not overly expensive. They're easy to put in, easy to take out. And I really think that the padding for your knee is something that you're going to enjoy. Now we're going to go up to the Hatfield-McCoy trails here soon. We're going to test all this stuff out, and we have an upcoming Rockford-Fosgate Stage 5 install that's going to be going on. We're going to let you know how well that works, how well you can hear it with the machine running, and also give you guys some trail ride experience on a lot of these products that we're installing. So make sure you give us a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so you get notified of the future videos. As always, we thank you for your time. Have a great day.